Hello everyone, this is Randolph Parker MS. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and like this video. Today again, I'm back on the Rockford Fosgate amp here. Basically I have to wait for the parts to come in. They finally came in. I'm working on this amp. So basically what I'm going to be doing is going back over, checking some of these FETs. P channel and M channel that I know to be shorted, and then from there I'm going to mark them up, remove them with the solder remover here. So let's get into it. As you can hear, the multimeter, I got it on diode checker, and any way I hold the probes in my hand, polarity wise, just basically doing a what we call a dummy check, right, without any schematic. And so I will pull up a schematic of, I believe it's the P channel MOSFET. Yeah, so now I believe I have, this is a N channel, and I'm reverse the probe here. Yeah, this one is good. So when dealing with N channel, P channel MOSFET, it's always good to have your ESD strap be grounded because they are very sensitive. So what I want to do here is just check the markings. I'm looking up the component here. So what I'm gonna do here, checking so measuring from the drain source junction. First measure the drain source junction by placing the positive lead of the multimeter on the drain and the negative lead on the source for an N channel MOSFET, and then reverse the lead for a P channel MOSFET. Check the gate. What about discharge the gate? You have little notes here. I'm looking for schematic here. Drain gate source N channel drain. So for N channel, it's pointing in. For P channel, it's pointing out on the schematic. So So I have to identify on these MOSFET the drain, the source, the gate. Alright, so while I'm doing that, I'm going to remove the ones I know to be bad and replace them, and I will get back to you. Again, this is Randolph Parker MS.